Hello students, in this second video again we are going to discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. What are the composition of endoplasmic reticulum? So let's see the components of endoplasmic reticulum. Students, components means parts. Components means parts. So endoplasmic reticulum consists three parts: cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Cisternae, vesicles and tubules, these are three components of endoplasmic reticulum. So one by one let's read it. Cisternae, it is sac-like structure. Look, this is the cisternae. It is unbranched. Look it is cylindrical in shape, unbranched, and over the cisternae ribosome is present. Okay, cisternae is cylindrical shape, unbranched structure, and ribosome is present over the cisternae. Second component is vesicles. Second component is vesicles. So look the figure of vesicles. It is rounded structure. It is rounded structure and its function to store. Vesicles store the materials formed inside the cytoplasm. It is used to storing vesicles. And third component is tubules. So look this structure. This is the tube-like structure, and it is branched at some intervals. It is branching, and ribosomes are not present over the tubules. Okay. So that was the component of endoplasmic reticulum. Now look the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. I have shown to you in the first video. Inside the cytoplasm, near the nucleus, it is scattered here and there in many numbers. So it will form the framework. It is membranous structure. Ribosome occurs over the endoplasmic reticulum. So types of endoplasmic there are two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, look about it. Ribosome present over the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then form the rough endoplasmic reticulum. If the ribosomes occur over the endoplasmic reticulum, then that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is present near the nucleus. It is more stable in comparison to smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is made up of cisternae. Ribosome attached with help of glycoprotein. Ribosome attached with help of glycoprotein. That means ribosome जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से जुड़ा होता है, किसके कारण? ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन के कारण. ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन जो है वो राइबोसोम को एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से जोड़कर रखता है. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम? हेयर राइबोसोम occurs, so protein synthesis takes place. Okay, what is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Protein synthesis, very important function. Now look the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is smooth because ribosome is absent. Ribosome absent, so it is called smooth endoplasmic. Present near the cell membrane, near the nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum present, and near the cell membrane, smooth endoplasmic reticulum present. It is less stable than rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is made up of tubules and vesicles. And what is the function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum? It is the site of lipid and glycogen synthesis. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum form the lipid. So that's what the difference between smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it's very important. Many times this question coming in exam, write the difference between RER and SER. Thank you.